guys over at Supernova Hair for sending me over this hair package. So my wig was placed in this silk satin bag, and inside the bag I was able to receive a wig cap and additional elastic band and also a pair of eyelashes. I do use the wig caps, you guys, by the way. But anyways, this is what the wig looks like out of the package. It is very important that I put the unboxing in the hair videos for your reference. So once you get your wig, you can come and look back at my video to see if your hair looks like my hair, okay? Because it should look exactly like my hair. If it doesn't, return policy. Thank you. So today, you guys, I'm going to be applying this wig unit. So this was sent to me from it is a 5x5 closure 30-inch 250% density wig. So if you guys just didn't get that, I will leave all that down below in the description box just in case you guys wanted to purchase this wig unit. So this is a lot of hair, as you guys could see. 30 inches. This is definitely for my girls who love a lot of hair, knows how to manipulate hair, knows how to take care of their hair. If you're not that type of woman, this wig wouldn't be for you. This is just entirely too much hair. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and get started. Again, this is a 5x5 closure wig. Now this is going to be a very quick install, you guys, because I love doing these like quick closure installs. They're always like get up and go type of hairs. And I love them. I'm really excited to see what this curl pattern is going to look like, you guys, because I don't know. So this side right here, I have combed out with my wide tooth comb. Here it is right here. This is what I've used to comb this side out. And I'm also gonna comb this side out as well. And I already went and plucked it and also gave myself a part. I wanted to do a middle part today. So I'm really excited to see like how these curls come out and if they're like really nice and, you know, luscious. I feel like I haven't had like a really good curly wig in a long time. Or maybe I'm just like not into curly wigs anymore. I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So again, these wigs are so easy to put on. Like, oh my God, it's just amazing. So again, I've already parted it, you guys. I should go ahead and like comb this part out. I'm gonna use a brush this time so we can see what the brush looks like. I'm gonna comb this out. So off the back, because this is straight out the box, this hair is extremely soft. Like, I'm very impressed with the softness of this hair. Or maybe it could just be because I did not pre-wash this. As you guys know, I always kind of pre-wash my hairs. So, yeah. I can barely see. Oh my God. Okay, so as you guys can see, this side is way bigger. I feel like this side is way bigger than this side. And I did this side with the comb. Yeah, definitely. Ooh, Jesus. So I have my Tresemme mousse, and all of everything that I'm using in this video, you guys, will be linked in my Amazon store. So if you guys want to purchase it, the link is down below. So I'm going to tame it using this mousse. I love this mousse, by the way, you guys. I really do. And it smells so good. This is a lot of hair, like, ooh, this would definitely be worth your money. So it's just that much hair, oh my God. Okay, so this side is fully trench should be. Get like in between a little. Oh, these got these curls popping. Look at the front. Oh. Okay, I just have to like do my thing with it how I usually do. But I love the curl pattern. Oh my god, this looks so good. Ooh. Just need a little product. Okay, so I'm gonna put this side back and I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. Now, this hair is definitely requiring too much of my product. Jeez. I could have used some water, but I don't have time for water. You have to wait for water to dry. So, and this dries pretty quick. So, yeah, this is like requiring a little too much of the product that I have, and I don't like that. I'm gonna spritz it a little bit more. So I'm gonna take my clips and I'm just gonna like hold it in place. Okay. So what I would say, you guys, is that this wig fits snug, and that's a good thing. I have a medium cap, and it fits really good. Now, I don't know if that's because I have my hair in a low ball, so it feels a little bit more secure. I don't have my braid down. Took my braids out. So I do feel like this wig does fit really snug. So I'm about to go ahead and put some glue on. I am trying out a new glue, you guys. So I will let you guys know how this does in future videos. So that you all can know. But I usually use the Ghost Bond, but that is not Ghost Bond, you guys. And I am going to put on a layer. My hairline's right there. And set it right on top. Ooh. I'm gonna take my comb and press it into the skin. Ooh, I hope this is like a really nice glue. baby hairs and things like that, but not for glue. Okay. So, do my little baby hairs. And I'm putting baby hairs here because if you could tell, you can see this part here. So I tried to put it, baby hairs here, to kind of take away from it. You have a collar. Yo.
How did you go?
Why are you just calling back?
Because I was out.
Hun, what if I was dying?
You weren't.